Hi, my name is Susan. I'm with WVU Extension Service in the Family Nutrition Program. And today I'd like to share a quick recipe with you. It is called the Spinach Rice Breakfast Bowl. And it's a quick recipe. It only takes about 6 minutes. And the reason I say 6 minutes is because the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to boil an egg. You're going to get a small pot and you are going to bring about 1 inch of water to a boil with the lid on. And when the water comes to a boil, you're going to place a large egg in the water and then put the lid back on. And then you're going to let it steam and cook. Turn the water off, let it steam for about 6 minutes. And this is going to cook your egg. And by the time the egg is ready to go, then the rest of our recipe is ready to bring it back together. But to save time, I have already pre-cooked the egg and have already chopped it up to go in our recipe. I've also pre-washed my hands. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get about 1/2 cup of spinach that I washed before I put it in my bowl. And I'm going to also add in 1/2 cup of pre-cooked brown rice. So I'm going to mix these in together. And then I'm going to put these in the microwave. I'm going to stir it up a little bit. I'm going to put these in the microwave for about 2 minutes, and about halfway through, we are going to stir it up to get it to go. Some other things that you'll want to gather up is about a tablespoon of butter, and you're going to want a 1/2 tablespoon of butter, and salt and pepper to taste. Now, something else you could do with this recipe to add some more flavor is you could saute a little bit of onion or green pepper together, and you could mix it in at the end also. But I'm going with the original recipe right now, and the only thing I'm going to be gathered extra is a little bit of hot sauce to add onto it after we have finished heating up our rice and our spinach. So we got a couple of seconds left. I'm going to pull it out and I'm going to stir it up. So you want to make sure you wash your spinach before you use it. You want to make sure you've pre-cooked your rice to the directions. You want to also make sure the bowl's not too hot when you grab it. So our spinach is already wilting down really good. It's already wilting down pretty good. So I'm going to put it in for the last minute. Finish that up. And normally, if I'd done my egg, I would be able to now be pre-chopping up my egg the way that I would want to and getting it ready. So, but I'd already done that. I'd already pre-chopped my egg. So I would want to put in a slice of toast. I would have done that probably before I put the microwave on. And my toast would be ready, so when I get this all together, to eat it all together. So, and your spinach has wilted down a lot. Alright, so now I am going to mix in my butter and salt and pepper to taste. I just put it all in the bowl to get it all going. I'm going to mix that all in. Whoops. Rice flying everywhere. And here is where we would also mix in, if we had sauteed a little bit of green pepper and onion, which is on the recipe as an alternative add-on, we would do that at this time also. So I'm just going to put my egg in on top of my rice. And I'm going to add a little bit of hot sauce just to give us a little kick. And if you don't have hot sauce in the house, you could add salsa to it, would be another option you could do also. Stir it, ooh, I can smell it. Ooh. All right, and so here we go. We have our spinach rice breakfast bowl. Very healthy breakfast for in the morning. It was pretty quick too. And I hope you enjoy this recipe. Thank you.